What's going on, y'all? We about to do a pork roast today. And guess what? It's going to be so tasty. We going to get it seasoned up into that oven and out. And when we get done, look at the beautiful piece of pork we got. But anyway, let's get it.
And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS, y'all. That like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if it's your first time here, welcome. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Because we love tasty.
So check it out, y'all. We got a nice fat cap on here. Now that fat ain't nothing but some flavor, y'all. Ain't nothing but some flavor. We don't want to cut that out. That's going to make our pork even more flavorful. So of course, you know we had the rain on them. Got to hit them with that salt. A little bit of garlic powder. Onion powder. Some of that cayenne pepper, y'all. Just for a little spicy kick. Now, if you can't handle spice, don't use too much, but you know, I like mine with a little kick. Now we gonna let these seasonings do their thing and sit while our oven preheats to 350 degrees. Now this is one of my wireless temperature probes. This is that 2 grill. At least that's what the app is. And you're gonna stick it straight in. Making sure you get it right in the middle. Get it into your pan or whatever you're gonna cook it in. And get it into that oven. Once we start singing at 150 degrees, it's time to get it on out that oven. And boom, y'all. Look at what we got. Look at what we got. It's nice, tender, and juicy, y'all. That's at 150 though. That's at 150. Now you can cook this a little bit longer if that's how you like your pork. You might like your pork well done. Me myself, I don't. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into this meal. So I had mine with some cabbage. And that cabbage was real good, y'all. I just cooked it down with a little bit of smoked turkey tails. So you already know it's gonna be tasty. But enough of this cabbage, y'all, even though I had to give me one more bite. Because it was tasty. Let's get into this pork, y'all, and see what it's working with. Looking all tender and juicy. Oh my goodness. That's what I'm talking about. I love me some good pork, y'all, especially done right. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.